All right, so let us begin. All right, who was written last question? Nobody knows. Begin again. Huh? Ah. That is not the Fourier syllabus, forget about it. It's Doppler effect. Okay. So I think we can say that we have finished your class 11 syllabus. Now let's go for the class 12. Very good. So since you already we can say in class 12, I am not going to discuss the synopsis and all because it's already discussed. Right. So let's go for the questions. All right. First question. Fast. Don't waste your time. Okay, boys, pay attention here.
Greater than that before the balls touch. Option 3, same as that before the balls touch. Option 4, same.
Yes. What's the answer? Fast. Yeah, Buddha, what's the answer? Anybody? Greater than? Sure of it. Why? That is given the answer in the back, right? Hey Bhagwan. What here? Will anybody give this reason? Who will help me out? You will help me out. Very good. How to solve it now? First, before keeping in contact. Before keeping in contact, what is the force? F is equal to K, Q1, Q2 divided by R square. Correct? After keeping in contact, the charges will change from Q1 to Q1 prime, which is equal to Q2 prime. Why? Because both the charges will be distributed equally. Okay? What is it, Buddha? Both the charges will be distributed, sure of it, 100%, 200%, 500%, confident, okay, very good. So, that is equal to, now how do you say it is distributed equally? We can say that is nothing but Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2, correct? Hi Anna, what is it? Zor se? Yes, very good. Now, after contact or after keeping in contact, F prime is equal to K, Q1 prime, Q2 prime. But Q1 prime and Q2 prime is equal to one another. That means we are going to get this as Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2 the whole square divided by the same distance R square. Okay. Now remember that Q1 plus Q2 the whole square divided by 4 is greater than or equal to Q1 Q2. So this is because we can say the relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Okay. Otherwise, heard about AP and GP. Correct? What is AP? AP doesn't mean Andhra Pradesh. Alva? Arithmetic progression. Very good. Yeah, but what does GP mean? GP does not mean general practitioner. What does it mean? Geometric progression. Very good. So because of that, we can say this relation holds good. Okay. Now that means F prime is greater than or equal to F. Now forget the equal to, we can say it is greater than F. So right option is verify it. Correct? Very good. Next question. ಯಾರು ಓದ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ?
Two small spheres of masses M1 and M2 are suspended by weightless insulating nets of lengths L1 and L2. The spheres carry charges Q1 and Q2 respectively. The spheres are suspended such that they are in level with one another, and the threads are inclined on the vertical angles of θ1 and θ2 as shown. Which one of the following conditions is essential? If θ1 equals θ2, option 1, m1 is not equal to m2 but q1 equals q2. Option 2, m1 equals m2. Option 3, q1 equals q2. Option 4, l1 equals l2.
What is the answer? So early? Huh? Very bad. To the next class, of course, not this class. Why? Huh? Lunch was late. Hey Bhagwan. Huh? At least when he came down, today I asked, sir, did I had a lunch? Are you feeling okay? What dear? Very bad. Huh? What to do now? Huh? Now pay attention very carefully. We are discussing electric charges and fields. Okay. So we are discussing the second question. Open that particular second question and get ready to solve. Okay. So help me out. Okay. Order. What? What you should do? Help. Very good. So let me take a mean position, vertical. Now here we can say the pendulum lies like this. So this we can say is θ1. Okay. Now remember, since this is, we can say, the string, the string will have the same tension because the same equilibrium level is attained, which means that if this is θ1, this will be θ2, and this of course will be both T only. Now remember, the horizontal force is electrostatic force, which will be normally balancing each other because it is the same charge or same charged bodies. Okay. So because of that we can say Q1 and Q2 will occur in the same equation. Therefore we can't say that this will be more strongly repelled, this will be less strongly repelled, or vice versa. Okay. But since we can say masses are different, vertical force will be different. The vertical force in the first sphere is given by m1g. In the second sphere it will be given by m2g. In the same manner, this will be nothing but we can say θ1 and this will be T1 cos θ1, or we can say this is nothing but T cos θ1. Okay. The same thing, this also will be, we can say T cos θ2. So this force will be T cos θ2. Now remember, θ1 is equal to θ2, which means that cos θ1 and cos θ2 both are equal. So therefore we can say T cos θ1 equal to T cos θ2. Fine? Yes. That means m1g is equal to m2g. What can we cancel off? GG can be cancelled off. So that means what remains? M1 equal to M2. So what is the right option now? Option 2, verified. Correct, sure of it, 100%, 200%, 500%, confident, lock kiya jaye, very good, take it down. What about AC is not working? Where is the remote here? Huh? It's not working, huh? Oh.
Two identical charged spheres of particular density rho suspended from the same point by inextensible strings of equal length make an angle theta between the strings. When suspended in a liquid of density sigma, the angle theta remains the same. The dielectric constant K of the liquid is option 1 rho divided by rho minus sigma, option 2 rho minus sigma divided by rho, option 3 rho divided by rho plus sigma, option 4 rho plus sigma divided by rho.
Yes, what was the answer, Buddha? So what is dielectric constant? Dielectric constant is the ratio of force experienced by two charges when separated by a given distance in air, free space or vacuum to the force between the same two charges when separated by the same distance in medium. So that means K is equal to FA divided by F. Okay. Now normally FA is given by M into G and F is given by mg minus m prime g. So this is equal to, we can say, density into volume divided by into G, and again the same thing here, minus sigma V into G. So we can take G common in the denominator, V also common in the denominator, so that both cancels off. So that means it is rho minus sigma in the denominator and rho in the numerator. So the right option is option 1, verified. Correct, sure of it, you already verified. Take it down. Finished? No, finish it off fast. You Buddha, finished? Did finish? Finish it off fast. Correctly. Okay? No mistake should be done. If there is a mistake, what I will do? Imposition. Okay? Take it down.
The electric field at a point into an electric dipole on an axis inclined at an angle theta less than 90 degree to the dipole axis is perpendicular to the dipole axis. If the angle theta is option 1 tan inverse 2, option 2 tan inverse half, option 3 tan inverse root 2, option 4 tan inverse 1 by root 2.
Yes. What is the answer? How to calculate it? Hey Bhagwan, what to do now? Okay. Remember, whenever we get the dipole put up, the dipole will have, we can say, two formations in case of axis. One is called as Cartesian coordinate, another is called as polar coordinates. Okay. So what we are going to discuss here will be in terms of those two different coordinates. One is, we can say, polar coordinate. That is what we are going to discuss here. Now in terms of polar coordinate, we can say that tan alpha is equal to half tan theta. Now of course this can be derived, but it takes, we can say, unnecessary time. So we are going to take it for granted that this is the relation for our dipole. Okay, beta. Now remember, according to the question, alpha plus theta is equal to 90 degree because it is perpendicular, right? That means what is alpha equal to, beta? 90 minus theta. Then tan alpha will be what now? Tan alpha is tan of 90 minus theta, which is equal to half tan theta. Now what is tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta. Anybody? Dordage? Cot theta, sure of it. 100%, 200%, 500%, confident, lock kiya jaye. Okay. So how can I say no to our children? So it is cot theta, which is equal to 1 by 2 tan theta. Now what is cot theta? Anybody? 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan theta is equal to tan theta by 2. Cross multiply, tan square theta is equal to 2, or tan theta is equal to root 2. The right option is 3 or option 3? Option 3. Verified. I may be wrong. Correct? Sure of it? Correct? Or the option that I said for question number 4 of DPP section in PYQs of KCET for the chapter electrostatic fields and charges, or electrostatic charges and fields, given for the crash course material, study material for Vividya Academy students in Mangaluru of the batch 2025. Everything is correct. Hey Bhagwan, how it can be possible? What to do now? See, that child is thinking, hey Bhagwan, ये बुढ़ापा ऐसे ही करता रहता है हमेशा, कम से कम एटलीस्ट 1-2 चैप्टर सॉल्व करके चुपचाप जाता है क्या? वो भी करता नहीं है, वेरी बैड. Simply Buddha, okay? You know, I love to tease my children. As I said in Kannada, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಖುಷಿ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Now let's go for, we can say, teaching the other child. Okay? Buddha. See, now the child is thinking, hey Bhagwan, अब ये साला बुड्ढा मुझे टीज करेगा, वेरी बैड. बोलो बेटा. अरे वैसा मत देखो यार, जाता हूँ बिटिया है लेकिन आ जाता है कि नहीं? पढ़ो बिटिया. What? CK gram inverse? Seriously? Write the question tomorrow, 5 doesn't show to me. No excuse. CK gram, hey Bhagwan. After the CK gram inverse. Option 1, okay. 0.425. Seriously? But somebody said here 0.425. What to do now? Write the option, we can say 5 doesn't come back. Read after 0.425 10 to the power 6. So help me out and pay attention here properly. Got it? So keep a pencil, all of you. All right? What are you going to do now? Solve the problem in the mind. Very good. Help me out. Yeah, Buddha. What we have to find out? Velocity of electron should be found out. That means V should be calculated. What is given? E is given, capital E, 1 by 4 Newton per Coulomb. Correct? Right? 1 by 1 into 10 to the power 4. Okay, I thought it was 1 by 4. I heard about it. Okay, fine. That means 10 to the power 4 only. Correct? Newton per Coulomb. Again, what is given? I think E by M or Q by M is given. What is Q by M? 1.8 into 10 to the power of 11. Isn't it? Yes. Again, what is given? Distance traveled is given. What is it? 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Correct? Now V we have to calculate. Again, what is been given? Read the question again. Okay, electron is accelerated from rest. That means U is given. So U is equal to 0. V is what you have to find out. So we can say that S is given. How to connect V with U and S? How to connect V with U and S? Louder. Louder. S is equal to ut plus half v square. Okay, but where is that t? Is that t here? T is not given. V is equal to u plus at. That also can't be used because t is not given. Next. No, Buddha. V square equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, that is what you have to use. Alright, so V is equal to V, we don't know. U is equal to 0. A is equal to, remember, in this type of the question, A is equal to Q E by M. Okay, so charge into electric field strength divided by mass. Now Q by M is given. What is it? 1.8 into 10 to the power of 11. E is given, 10 to the power of 4. So 10 to the power of 11 into 10 to the power of 4 will give me 10 to the power of 15. So it will be now 1.8 into 10 to the power of 15 into S is given. What is S? 2 into 10 to the power of, louder, minus 2. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. That means we can say it is 2 into 2 gives me, we can say 4. 4 into 1.8 gives me, we can say 7.2. So it is 7.2 into 10 to the power of minus 15, sorry, plus 15 minus 2. That gives me minus 13. That means it is 72 into 10 to the power of 12. So V square is equal to 72 into 10 to the power of 12. That means V is equal to root of 72 into 10 to the power of 6. Now root of 72 lies somewhere between 8 and 9. Right, so the answer should be 8 point something into 10 to the power of 6. Which is the option? Fourth option. Verified. Correct? First option. What is first option? So, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. V square is equal to 0 square plus 2 into q by m. Q by m is 1.8 into 10 to the power of 11 into E is nothing but 10 to the power of 4 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That is equal to 7.2 into 10 to the power of 11 plus 4, 15. That is nothing but you can say 13. No, it should be 8.5 only. Correct? Very bad. You read it wrong in the answer key. Hey Bhagwan, write the answer key also tomorrow. Fight and then show it to me. Huh? What here? What to do now? All the three. Okay. Question, option, and the solution with the answer key. हाँ 5 times, no excuse. What यार है? मैं यहाँ पे सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पे बुढ़ा हूँ, हैं, लेकिन बच्चे यहाँ पे प्रूफ कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग आपसे भी बूढ़े हैं सर. क्या यार 5 times, no excuse. Got it? So v square is equal to 72 into the power of 12. That means v is equal to roughly 8.5 into the power of 6 unit meter per second. सही है? Take it down. Finished? Finished or finished thinking it down? Hey Bhagwan. Again confusion. Very bad.
Fixed charges A and B of 5 millicoulomb each are separated by a distance of 6 meters. C is the midpoint of the line joining A and B. Charge Q of minus 5 millicoulomb is shot perpendicular to the line joining A and B through C with a kinetic energy of 0.06 joules. The charge Q comes to a rest at a point B. The distance CD is option 1 3 meter, option 2 root 3 meter, option 3 3 root 3 meter, option 4 4 meter.
Yes. How to calculate it now? Who will help me out in calculating this? Are you saying no or are you saying okay. So help me out. Okay? Say okay yaar. Very good. So can we change it? Okay? Now, the most important thing. We have got two positions A and B. Right? The charges at A and B is 5 microcoulomb, which means it is 5 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and here also it is 5 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. The distance between the points A and B is 6 meter. Right? Correct? There is a point at the mid of A and B, that is C. Now, through this point, we are taking a charge perpendicular, and let me say it stops at point D whenever discussion is to be done. At this point, this is minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb. Correct? Any doubts on that? Very good. Now, let us take this distance as x. This will be 3 meter. This will be 3 meter. And this will be x. Alright. And this distance will be the Pythagoras theorem, we can say 3 square plus x square. Now keep your pen down, all of you, and pay attention very carefully. Now according to the question, when the particle reaches the point D, the energy it has got is kinetic energy. It is nothing but 0.06 joule. Correct? And doubts in that? Very good. Now, when the charge was present at C, that time the charge would experience electrostatic potential energy. What did it experience, Buddha? Yes. So, what is electrostatic potential energy? The energy spent or the work done in maintaining the configuration of the charge is called as electrostatic potential energy. Now, when we can say this charge, it is from here to here, the potential energy varies, changes, and then it gets converted to kinetic energy. So, that means here we can say gain in kinetic energy is equal to loss of potential energy. Okay. So, at this time we can say the gain in kinetic energy from this position is given 0.06 joule. That is equal to the change in potential energy, that is nothing but potential energy at the point C minus potential energy at the point D. Okay. Potential energy at the point C minus potential energy at the point D. Now, what is the potential energy expression given by? It is given by K Q1 Q2 divided by R. Okay. So, K is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Q1 is this 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Q2 is this. The charge which was present here, that is minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So, leave the minus, it will be 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay. Divided by, initially it is 3 meter. Alright. So, that is divided by 3. The same thing will be seen in this case also, because there is another charge present. Okay. Now, the third charge, the next position of the charge will be here. That means here we can say the potential energy at the point C will be 2 times 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R, where R is 3 meter and 3 meter. Okay. The same thing will be here also put up. The only difference is K Q1 Q2 will remain as it is, but R will be replaced by root of 3 square plus x square. Here also it is same. Got it? So, that means we get potential in terms of 2 times. 2 times at this position, 2 times at this position. Okay. Is it clear? Now, we will solve it. Okay. So, what is the potential energy? 2 times K Q1 Q2 divided by R minus 2 times K Q1 Q2 divided by root of R square plus x square. So, R is 3. Okay. So, we can take K common, Q1 Q2 common, 2 common. So, then what are you going to get? 2 into K. What is K now? It is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. So, 2 into 9 gives me what? 18. 18 into 10 to the power of 9 in the bracket. Sorry, Q1 Q2. That is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 the whole square. Okay. Why? Because it is Q1 Q2. Q1 is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Q2 is equal to minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. So, forget the minus sign. So, we can take it as 5 into 5, that gives me 5 square. 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 gives me 10 to the power minus 6 the whole square. Okay. Got it? Any doubts in that? Sure of it. Very good. So, what you are going to get now? We are going to get 2 into 9 into 10 to the power of 9. So, 2 into 9 gives me, we can say what? 18. 5 square gives me, we can say what? 25. So, 18 into 25 will be how much? 25 into 8 will give me something like 200. Right? So, 0 carry 20. 25 1 to 25 plus 200 gives me, we can say 45. So that means we get here, we can say 450 into 10 to the power of minus 12 plus 9. So that gives me 450 into the power minus 3. 450 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay? In the bracket. 1 upon 3 square, because r is 3. So 1 upon 3 square is 1 upon 9 plus, sorry, minus 1 upon root of 3 square plus x square. So 3 square is 9 plus x square is x square. Okay, that is equal to, we can say 0.09. Sorry, 0.06. Alright, 0.06. That means now we can take this 450 into 10 to the power minus 3 to that side. Then what we can write now? We can write it as, 1 minute, is it 450 or 4500? So now we can say this is nothing but 1 upon 3 square plus 1, minus 1 upon root of 3 square plus x square is equal to 0.06 divided by 450. So 0.06 into, already we have got 10 to the power minus 3 on the denominator. When I take it to the numerator, it becomes 10 to the power plus 3. So it gives me, we can say 60 divided by 450 is equal to 1 divided by 3 square plus minus 1 divided by root of 3 square plus x square. So take that particular 1 divided by 2, root of 3 square plus x square this side, and take this 1 by 3 square to that side. So we are going to get, we can say 18 into 25. 18 into 25 is 450, right? 25 8 are 200, correct? And this will be 20, so it will be, we can say 20 into 25 into 1 gives me 25 plus 45, 450. 450 by 25 gives me 25, 25, what's the remain? 20 will remain 8, correct. So when I take it to this side, what it will be? So it is 450 means 0.06 divided by 450 to the power minus 3. So when it goes up, we are going to get, we can say, this is nothing but 0.06 into 10 to the power of 3 whole divided by 450. That gives me 60 by 45 minus 60 by 45 means we can say 1 by 0, 0 it cancels. So 6 1 ja can't be done. So 3 2 ja, 3 15 ja. So it is 2 by 15. 2 by 15 minus 1 by 9. So 1 by 9. We can take the LCM. LCM will be, we can say 45. So it is 3 to 6. 6 minus 9, 5 ja 45. 1 by 45. So this we can say. Okay. So this side we are having, we can say 1 divided by root of 3 square plus x square, that is equal to okay. So it is, we can say root of this thing, that gives me 45 into this thing. So that means 25 will be there, 1 by 25. So when it is 1 by 25, that will be nothing but we can say root of 3 square plus x square is equal to 1 by 25. So sorry, is equal to 25. So take the, sorry, is equal to 5. Take the whole particle, we can square on it. So that means we are going to get this as 3 square plus x square is equal to 25, or x square is equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 will give me, we can 16, and x is equal to, we can say root of 16, that is equal to 4. Verified. 4 meters should be the answer. I think the right option is option 4, isn't it? Because the first option was option 3. Next is, I think, 3 root 2, right? 2 root 3. Root 3. Okay, next is 3 root 3. Next is, I think, 4 meter, right? So I think the option should be option 4. Verified. Correct? Good. Now, as we are discussing, the potential energy or the change in potential energy is equal to the gain in kinetic energy. That means the change in potential energy, you can say 2 times K Q1 Q2 divided by R minus of 2 times K Q1 Q2 divided by root of R square plus X square, that is equal to, the value is given already, it is 0.06 joule. Correct? Now this is nothing but we can say 2 into 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 the whole square, in the bracket 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by root of 3 square plus x square is equal to 0.06. Correct? Now, what is 2 into 9? 18. 18 into 25 into 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of minus 3. In the bracket, we can say 1 by 3 minus 1 by root of 3 square plus x square, that is equal to 0.06. So this is nothing but we can say 18 times 25 gives me 450 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So sorry, this is 10 to the power of minus 12. Right? So, here we can write 1 by 3 minus 1 by root of 3 square plus x square equal to 0.06 is already there on the left hand side, and from the right hand side we are going to get 450 into 10 to the power of minus 3, that gives me 0.06 into 10 to the power of 3, that gives me 60 divided by 450. So this cancels off, 3 times 2, 3 times 15, that means 1 by 3 minus 1 by root of 3 square plus x square. Okay, before I forget, here I taken, we can say at the beginning when I was discussing, it is 3 square, it is not 3 square, it is 3. Okay, so that was why I was getting different answer. So that time I calculated again in terms of 3, we get the answer because of that. So it is 2 by 15. Now take this, we can say 1 upon root of 3 square by square this side. That means we are going to get this as 1 by 3 minus 2 by 15. So take the LCM. LCM is able to cancel 15 here. When you take the LCM as 15, this will be able to cancel 5 minus 2. So this is able to cancel 1 upon root of 3 square plus x square. In the bracket, we are going to get root of 3 square plus x square equal to 15 by 3. That means 3 square plus x square is equal to 5 square. That means x square is equal to 5 square minus 3 square, that is equal to 25 minus 9. X is equal to 4 meter. Take it down. Previous slide. Okay. Finished? That one finished. Or this slide is finished. That one is finished or this slide is finished? This page is finished. Okay, okay. This page is finished or this page in the note which I have written on the smart board with black background, making use of white smart ink is finished. Hey Bhagwan, what to say for this old man? Huh? Okay, okay. Finished? Huh? And you're simply now chit-chatting. Very bad. What to do now? Huh? So that one was finished. This one is not finished, right? Okay, okay. So finish this one also. Finished? Or finishing it down? Huh? You told finishing it down. What to do now? Huh? ಆಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಯ್ತಾ you know it or you know the solution again you confused man what to do here write or written write or written write or written very bad what to do now finish this one also read the question now so that we can finish that one okay and read it properly any mistake what I'll do
Equal charge on the body is 1 nanocoulomb. Then how many electrons are present on the body?
okay this is simple here anybody can do that right so this is what we call quantization of charge and the quantization of charge is given by Q equal to NE. So according to the question, Q is equal to 1 nanocoulomb, that means it is 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb, and E is nothing but we know 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So next we can say pure calculations, we can do it yourself. Okay, the answer should be something like 6.25 10 to the power of 9. That should be the answer. Okay, what is the answer? That is the answer. Huh? Okay, okay. No, the answer is 6.25 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay, which is it? Option number 2. Verify it. 4. So 6.25 10 to the power of 9 is option 4. And you told 2. Seriously, write this solution tomorrow. Fight on the shirt to me. Eh? See, for the first time the child is very happy. Yes, I have got one, what we can say, friend to do that. Right? So write the solution tomorrow. Eh? She also told 2 for 4. And you also told 2 for 4. Hey Bhagwan, ये 2 का क्या चक्कर है भाई? है? ये 2 के क्या चक्कर क्या है? सभी लोग को 2 पसंद आ रहा है, 4 को तो नजरअंदाज करे सभी लोग. है? How many times, sir? Read the next question now and do it properly. No mistake. Huh? Yes. Why? This is simple question here. Okay.
Equal and opposite charges of masses m1 and m2 are isolated in and uniform electric field through the same distance. What is the ratio of their acceleration if their ratio of masses m1 divided by m2 is equal to 0.5? Option number 1, a1 divided by a2 is equal to 2. Option number 2, a1 divided by a2 is equal to 0.5. Option number 3, a1 divided by a2 is equal to 3. Option number 4, a1 divided by a2 is equal to 1.
Yes. What was the answer? Huh? You don't know? Or you don't know the answer? Very bad. Again it confused me now. What to do, Puta? Help me out. Okay. See the question. According to the question, there are 2 masses. Correct, Puta? M1, M2. Correct? Let us say they are accelerated with accelerations A1 and A2. Okay, Puta? Now what will happen here? We can say that the force on the first particle is given by M1 A1. Okay, bacha? Any doubts in this? Sure of it? 100%, 200%, 500%, confident? Lock kiya jaye? Very good. What about F2? That is equal to M2 A2. But according to the question, the charges which is present on both the bodies is same. That means Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q. And the electric field in which they are moving is uniform electric field, which means that E1 is equal to E2 is equal to E. Now that means F1 is also equal to Q1 E1. But what is that equal to? QE. Correct? And what is F2 equal to, Buddha? F2 is equal to Q2 E2. That is equal to QV. Now what I can see from these 2 equations, F1 is equal to what? No, F2, Buddha. Because F1 is also equal to QV, F2 is also equal to QV, right hand side is equal, that means left hand side should also be equal. So therefore we can write F1 is equal to F2. But what is F1? M1A1, that is equal to M2A2. But what is he asked us? He has asked us what is A1 divided by A2. Correct? That is equal to M2 divided by M1. That is equal to 1 divided by M1 by M2. What is M1 by M2? .5. So that is equal to 1 divided by 0.5, which means that A1 by A2 is equal to 2. The right option is guarantee. 100%, 200%, 500%, confident. Lock kiya jaye. Very good. Now find the right option. Okay. See whether the right option is option 1 or not. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ Sure of it. No option 3 is written, no option 4 is written, no option 2 is written. Very good. Take it down properly and then we can go for the what? Next question. Very good, bacha. Shabash. Huh? What is the scientific discussion going on there on that water bottle? Huh? Do one thing. Write a scientific report tomorrow. Okay. Of the light that is incident on the water bottle, which creates a sensation of vision in the eye, so that we can read what is written on the water bottle, and we can also look at what is the level of the water bottle, water inside the water bottle. What is that refractive index of the water bottle? What is the angle of incidence? What is the angle of refraction? Okay. Yeah, buddha? Alright. Guarantee. So tomorrow all the particular things should be written. Alright. And is the Snell's law satisfied with that or not? If yes, fine. If not, why not? Okay. Now the child is thinking, hey Bhagwan, this all thing I should write and come back. See, we don't even think that when we look at a particular water bottle, so many phenomena is taking place. Correct? Now, who will run the next question? Okay, that is simple theory question, but forget about it. Go for the next. Yes, what was the answer? How to calculate it? What we have to find out? Electric field. Okay. So electric field is given by E, which is equal to K Q divided by R square. Alright. Now what is the value of Q? Three nanocoulomb. Okay. That means 3 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by what is R? 2 centimeter. Okay. So the answer is What is the option? Hmm? 3 over 4. Read the question again. Very bad. See, he is telling us the radius is 2 centimeter and the distance is 3 centimeter. Huh? And you are saying that the distance is 3 centimeter there. Sorry, 2 centimeter there. Write the question tomorrow 5 times. Eh? Bechari, see, she is very happy now. Today is a Jalsa day. Eh? Two friends have joined me. Very good. That most of them join me. That is what she is now, we can say, praying in her heart. Eh? See, it is a Jalsa day now. Right? So you will be writing the question, she will be writing the solution. And she will be writing the question with the option with the solution. Hey Bhagwan. Eh? How many times, sir? 5 times. Very good. How many times, sir? 5 times. Very good. How many times, sir? 5 times. Shabash. What here? 3 सेंटीमीटर को बच्चों ने यहाँ पे 2 सेंटीमीटर बोल दिया. क्या कर रहे हो बच्चियों? हैं? यहाँ पे मैं बुढ़ा हूँ यार. तुम लोग तो नौजवान हो, है कि नहीं? हैं? अब तुम लोग भी अगर बुढ़े हो गए तो क्या होगा? हैं? You are the youth, the new generation of India बुढ़ा. हैं? अगर तुम लोग मुझकी जैसे बुढ़ापे में आ जाओगे तो क्या करोगे यार? ठीक से बड़ा समझ है? नहीं तो क्या करूँगा? डबल इम्पोजिशन दूंगा. श्योर ऑफ इट? 100%, 20%, 40%, कॉन्फिडेंट. ओके हो जाए? वेरी गुड. बॉयज, फॉर यू ऑलरेडी आई विल बी गिविंग इट 2 टाइम इम्पोजिशन. हैं? Don't look at me like that, yaar. We boys, you know, are very, what you can call, enthusiastic about impositions. Huh? No, seriously. When I was of your age, I used to get, we can say, too much impositions. Huh? Oi, beta, this is physics class, puta, not physical education class. Huh? यहीं पे अगर तुम लोग जिम्नास्टिक करने लगे तो क्या होगा यार? हैं? Now pay attention very carefully. ओके. और पहला ही मेरा यहाँ पे फैमिली पैक है यार. है ये फैमिली पैक वाला साला यहाँ पे क्या करेगा? जिम भी है, पढ़ाई करे यहाँ पे. समझ में आ गया? आई एम हियर ओनली फॉर, वी कैन से, योर मेंटल हेल्थ. ऑलराइट, फिजिकल हेल्थ यू कैन गो एनीवेयर एल्स. ऑलराइट, हियर आई एम ओनली फॉर. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬರ ದೇವ್ರೆ, ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಪುಟ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ so 10 to the power of 9, 10 to the power of minus angle cancels. So what we can write now here, we can write this as 9 into 3 divided by 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So this get cancelled. So this is 3 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. So the right option is option 1. Verified put up. I may be wrong. Correct? Very good. Okay, leave the 11th and 12th question off. Finished? Go for the 13th question, Buddha. Somebody said nanocoulomb and then millicoulomb. Huh? Really? First you said milli. Micro. Ah. So then because of that micro, write that question we can say 10 times. I change to be tomorrow. Because I promise I'll be giving double the imposition. So 10 times tomorrow. Got it? And read it properly. No mistake. What to do now? I'll give extra scientific report. Okay? When you incline the bottle at the angle that you inclined, what happens to the view? Does the view become more clear, less clear, or remain same? If it remains same, why? If it increases, why? If it does not increase, if it decreases further, why? And what is the angle of incidence from your eye to that water bottle, and what is the level of water bottle that you are going to see level of water inside the water bottle that you are going to see. Okay? So this is a scientific report to be produced tomorrow. Alright? Hey Bhagwan. Now the child is thinking, इसे तो अंदर रख दे दो बाबा. इस पे तो बुढ़े के नजर न जाएगी और मुझे साइंटिफिक रिपोर्ट लिखने का चांस भी नहीं मिलेगा. Okay. But anyway, see how much we can say physics explains day-to-day activities. Have you ever thought that these all things is happening? So now the child is thinking, oh yeah, that's true. Okay. Oi bacha, pay attention now. So F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. So yeah, any problem of that? What is Q1? 6 millicoulomb, correct? And what about Q2? 9 millicoulomb. So 6 into 9 gives me what? 54 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into K divided by, what is the distance? Not given. Take it as R square. Same place. Take it as R square. Okay. Now we'll go for F prime. Next what you are doing? We are adding minus 3 coulomb. Correct? Minus 3 or minus 3 millicoulomb? Millicoulomb. Right? So then 6 will become 6 minus 3. Gives us what? 3. 9 becomes 9 minus 3. Gives us what? 6. So 6 into 3 gives me what? 18. 18 into 10 to the power of minus 12 into K divided by R square. Now divide F prime by F. According to the question, both the forces must be same. Correct? That means F prime is equal to F. That means F by F. F by F is 1. Right? That is equal to K get cancels. What get cancels? K get cancels. In the bracket, we are having, we can say 54, no, not 50, we can take any because it is same, so not an issue. So we can take, we can say 18 into 10 to the power minus 12 divided by R prime square whole divided by 54 into 10 to the power of, we can say 10 to the power minus 12 K by R square. So that get cancels. So that is nothing but we can say R prime is equal to 9 divided by how much? 16 R square, and that is R prime is nothing but 3 by 4. Sorry, 1 minute. What are you finding out? We are finding out the force or we are finding out the distance? Force or repulsion. That means F prime is not equal to F. Sorry. That means we have to go for again the rearrangement of the term. So f prime by f is equal to, we can say 1 by k into, we can say f prime is 18 into the power minus 12 divided by r square whole divided by k into 54 into the power minus 12 divided by r square. R square get cancelled, k get cancels, 10 to the minus 2 get cancels, 18 by 54, that gives me, we can say 1 by 3. So that means f prime by f is equal to 1 by 3, f prime is equal to f by 3. So f by 3 should be the option for answer, and the right option should be option 4. Verified. I was going ulta. I was thinking that r should be calculated and f prime is equal to f. So no, that means f prime is equal to f by 3. Option 4, is it correct? Very good. Let's solve it here. Option 4. Take it down. Finish that one. Finish that one. What happened? Yeah, beta. What happened? Are you okay? Sure. You're not crying. Sure. Guaranteed. Finished? Next question, beta. Okay, so it's just a theory question. Okay, I think the option may be 4, verified. Next. Okay, boys. So here the best method of solving is dimensional analysis. In the left hand side you have got time, in the right hand side we have got 4 options. So see, compare and find out what is the best option we can get for this time. Okay, so this is directly by we can say dimensions that we can do. Okay, if you want to do it actually, what we can do, we can say time t is equal to root of 2s divided by a. Now what is a? We have already known that it is QE by m. But the charge of the electron is given, it is small a. So that means a is equal to small e capital E divided by m. Okay. Now t is equal to what then? It is root of 2h divided by E by m. Now what you can do? Take them to the numerator. Then what you are going to get? T is equal to root of, sorry, it looks like f. So which is the right option now? First option. Verify it. I may be wrong. Correct. Very good. Shabash. That is why I am looking at you, Buta.
If E axial and E equatorial represents electric field at a point on the axial and equatorial line of a dipole, if points are at distance r and from the center the dipole for r is not for all r is greater than a, E axial option 1, if E axial is equal to E equatorial, option 2, E axial is equal to E axial is equal to minus E equatorial, option 3, E axial is equal to minus 2E equatorial, option 4, E axial is equal to 2 equatorial.
So what was the answer? E axial is equal to 2 times E equatorial. So what is the right option now? Which is the option? E axial equal to 2 times E equatorial. Fourth option. Next. You only Buddha. Fast. d by 3. Okay. What might be the answer? See, forces are equal. That is what is given. Right? Correct. Yes or no? Sure of it? 100%. 200%. Charges are given. And what is the force? That's what I am saying. Both the forces are equal. Hey Bhagwan. So F is equal to F prime. Correct? That means K Q1 Q2 divided by R square is equal to K Q1 prime Q2 prime divided by R prime square. Now what about the distance between R and R square? It changes. So that means one should be R, other should be R prime. K get cancels. Q1, Q2 will remain. We can say what is the values. Q1 is how much? 2. Qt is how much? Minus 8. But remember, we have to take the magnitude. Magnitude means minus 8 is also 8 only. 8 2 ja 16. Correct? 16 by r square. 16 by r square equal to, right? Now we are keeping in contact. When I keeping in contact, the charges will be distributed equally. That means Q1 dash is equal to Q2 dash is equal to Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2. That means 2 minus 8 divided by 2. That means minus 6 divided by 2. That means minus 3. So it is now we can say K minus 3 the whole square divided by r prime square. Okay, K get cancels. That means 16 by r square is equal to 9 by r prime square. So therefore r prime square is equal to 9 r square by 16. That means r prime is equal to 3 r divided by 4. The right option is option 3. Correct? Sure of it. Verified. Is option 3 correct? Correct. Sure of it. 100%, 20%, 30%. Confident. Lock kiya jaye. Very good. You are checking it, right? Or simply you are saying it? Option? Lifeliner. Why? अरे एटलीस्ट तो कम से कम कौन बनेगा सीईटी पति तो बोलो यार है हम लोग को अभी यहाँ पे सीईटी चाहिए है तो एटलीस्ट कौन बनेगा सीईटी पति तो बोलो है कि नहीं है क्या यार है ना you know what is very easy in this world? Earning money. Earning money is very easy. Sit in a particular place, study the stock market, okay, apply quantum mechanics, you will understand what is the nature of the stock market, and you will be, we can say, earning in crores. Got it? No, that's a fact. Got it? If you know the trend, you will be able to know what is to be done when and when to sell that stock. And once you do that, you can sit in a place. Yes. Trust me, my particular classes are in demand, children. You can be sure of it. Expert had even called me at 2016. Just for about, we can say, 1.5 lakh rupees as a salary. Okay. So because of that, you can be sure. 7 crore. We can earn even 10 crores, but pay attention here. Okay, because we are not here to earn money. Because earning money is not permanent. Earning knowledge is. Getting it? The only thing that you are going to take with you is what good you have done and how much you know. Nothing else. Getting it? पैसा भी है पर जाएगा. Today I am speaking with you in a proper manner. Who knows? Tomorrow I may go directly. Right? May happen. May happen. You need to exactly. We can't say. Got it? No, be practical. Getting it? We can't say. So, parents and children, we need to become CET pati, not crorepati, okay? Pay attention very carefully. Alright? Oye, bacha party. Hi, na bolo yaar. Very good. Acha. Let's pay attention here. So, K into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Right? Milli or micro? Nano. Tata Nano. Okay. So 3/4 is the answer. The right option is three. Sure of it. Okay, then which is the left option? Okay, so let's stop here and meet in the next class, children. So maybe next class, unfortunately, we can change with the other topic, okay? Because unfortunately, if I solve all the problems that is present in this, we are not able to complete the portion, right? So just try to solve those questions. If it is not possible, then I'll solve it when you are having the doubts, okay? Thank you.